What is up, guys? Planet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook ad payment failed or card declined. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com, and then you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Facebook. So if you are new to Facebook, just simply sign up with your email, password, and the credentials to create your Facebook account. But if you already have a Facebook account, just simply log in and you will be automatically logged in to your Facebook homepage. Now, after signing up or logging in, and after coming to the home page on the right side, you can see this menu like icon. Click on this and then click on Add. And after that, it will open a new tab of Ads Manager. From there, on the left side, hover here and then click on Billing and Payments. Now, after coming to the billing and payments, make sure that you have entered the correct card details and the correct expiration date of your card. But sometimes it happens because some banks stop the transaction due to some security reasons. So that might be a reason. But if you have not entered the correct details, recheck all the details and then enter them correctly. And if it still doesn't work, try adding another payment method that works smoothly and efficiently. So this is how you can fix your Facebook ad payment failed problem. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.